How to log into Ally Bank online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Ally Bank online account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser, search for Ally Bank login. After you search that up, hit enter and there you'll see Ally Bank's website. So you can either head over to Ally Bank's official website, that is ally.com, or you can simply see the login option from Ally. You can tap on that as well. So if you went to the website, the official website, there you will see the login option on the top right. Tap on that and you will see this sidebar where you can enter out your username and then your password. So simply type in your password, then tap on login to login. If you head over to this website here that we went earlier on, you will need to do the same. Type in your username, then your password, then tap on login. Doing those, you will be logged in into your account, and that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.